Why it is so much hard for the obese people to lose their weight? Friends, obesity is a problem, but for many people it is really a hard situation because they tried many times to lose their weight, but unfortunately it was not helpful for them. And because of this, now they think that the weight losing is a big task. I was also among them. And I still remember that I also used to feel like this, that losing your weight is a big task. Today I'm going to talk about in this video that what are the three main causes or what are the three beliefs a person carries within himself at the time of his overweight, which is not helping him out, but it is helping his fat to increase more and more. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert. I'm the founder of the community Know Your Fitness. I am on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System. Friends, it was the year 2009 when I thought that I was in my college, and of course I was not the handsome boy of my college, but I wanted to be. And that's why I was obese. I was facing the problem of overweight. Someone has told me that I should start consuming hot water along with lemon, along with honey, the first thing in the morning. I tried it, but it did not help me out. Although I on that time I felt more hungry and more weak. But I was not able to help me out. I just used to think that what should I do now? Now the 2 years has been passed, I became 108 kg of an elephant boy. In year 2012, for the first time I read an article in a newspaper, or I read a marketing campaign of a company for the free consultation on dieting. I went there, and since then my life has been wholly transformed. Friends, it was not the lemon water which helped me out, but it was the pattern of my life has helped me out. And now I am around 85 kg. I have lost around 7 times my weight, and now I help out to people to achieve their dream body. Friends, the belief which I used to carry in myself, now I will introduce to you. The number one belief which I used to believe in the superfoods. Hot water, lemon water, water with honey, amla. These kind of superfood can help me out to achieve my fitness. But the science is very simple, that I need to eat less with the nutrients into it, and I have to utilize more energy. It will make me a healthy, fit, muscular, handsome man. I come to know about this later once I invested my money and my time into it. Investment is very important thing. Nothing is for free because universe will not help you out. The second thing which I used to believe that the exercise is the only key point which can help me out to reduce my weight. I joined many gyms, but it did not help me. The fact is this, that active lifestyle is more important than workouts. If you do your workout and you don't do anything in your whole day, then you don't have the right to say that why my weight is not losing. Your lifestyle must be active. On that time when I joined in 2011 to a dietitian, on that time I was also doing my training in my hotel. And as a part of a hotel training, it was a dramatically hard work for us trainers. That's why my lifestyle impacted me so much, and I lost so much weight, around 10 kg in a month. The third thing which I used to believe, that there is some problem in my genes or in my family. My mother was the diabetic. My father was not that much fit, but he used to do the workouts. So this was a thing that I used to believe, that because of my mother diabetes, maybe I am prone to become obese. Friends, diabetes we can say is a hereditary disease, but become obese and become overweight is your choice. It's nothing that what kind of food you are consuming is the most important thing. So once I have found out the way, because I wanted to get myself out of from that hell, which was overweight, which was full of hunger, which was full of weakness. I used to be the person who used to get affected by the change of weather. But many things has been changed now. Now I do not know that when I had the medicine of fever, it's been more than 2 years since I haven't taken any medicine of fever also. So friends, these are some of the things. If you adapt a healthy lifestyle in your life, then there are so many plus things you're going to get. Friends, this was all about the beliefs which a overweight person carries, usually, which becomes a hurdle in his or her weight losing journey. That's why eat good, sleep good, and work out good. Now friends, there is a science behind of food, workouts, and lifestyle. Friends, if you want to learn, if you want to start your health journey, then I have created an automatic metabolism reset system. It's a 5-day WhatsApp classes in a very minimum price. As of now, the price is 99 rupees only. In that very price, you're going to get the knowledge about the food, how to build your food from roots, what are the workouts which you can do, and these all are the things you can learn about in your in my 5-day WhatsApp classes. I have also have a community known as the Know Your Fitness community on my Facebook, where usually I do my workouts from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. for 15 to 20 minutes. You just need to copy me over there. Friends, I do have my YouTube channel also. Please subscribe me on my channel also. I do have a Telegram group also. Please connect me with my Telegram group also. I have lots of things to share with you in terms of your fitness, and I like to connect to you. That's why all the links I'm giving you over here. Just connect to me and be in touch with me. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.